My name is Ashley Sutton and I created the Haircut Box. We love just being outside. We love all things sports.
We love going camping, boating, and everything that we love to do is right at our fingertips here in Idaho.
We've always kind of lived that motto. We would spend our money and really try to make those lasting memories.
We work hard, but we love to play hard as well.
People saying, oh, I totally wish I could go on a vacation like that. And in my head, I'm thinking, you can totally go on a vacation like that. You can totally take your kids to Disneyland. The combination of doing multiple haircuts a month and taking your kids into the salon and spending $80 or $100 every single month, that adds up really quick. So regardless of what you wanna buy or what you wanna do, giving haircuts at home is actually such a simple way to earn money for those kind of things. I couldn't have done the Haircut Box without my kids. They've been the best little employees. Patch is pretty money savvy. He has set a goal of how much money he needs to earn a dirt bike.
I've probably been working with Haircut Box a little over a year.
Harley's main job is putting the instructions together. She actually takes major pride in putting the instructions together. Remy is the sucker girl. She loves the suckers. What's your favorite part about the Haircut Box?
Suckers.
Jet is the most help out of all of my kids.
He's the box.
He's good at a lot of different things and he's good at eating all the suckers.
Suckers.
We've had some really good conversations down in the Haircut Box room. I mean, I know it's just down in my basement, but it almost feels like a sacred space to be down there with my kids.
The kids have had a great experience with this because it has given them more responsibility and an understanding and a great life lesson of how to make money.
You can save money.
There's a lot of people that have an idea that never takes shape, but Ashley was able to take her idea and actually make it into something real.
It helps you save money and do fun things.
Raising 4 kids and starting a business has been pretty dang challenging. I've only been able to do it because Wyatt has been so willing and so able to take over a lot of the responsibilities that typically a mom does.
Do the dishes, put the kids to bed, and help where I'm needed.
When your kid gets in that chair, somehow or for some reason, they will just open up and start talking, and I love the flow of communication when you're cutting your kid's hair.
I like spending time with my mom when she cuts my hair. I like when my mom asks me funny questions.
When I was putting together the Haircut Box, I wanted to make sure that I could put my total stamp of approval on everything that was in it. I tried out dozens of scissors and I honestly didn't like any of them enough to put my stamp of approval on them. So I ended up creating and designing my own scissors that I absolutely love. They cut like butter and they are amazing. Along with these instructions that I give, I'm showing you multiple haircuts. So when your little kid comes home from school and his best friend just got a cool haircut at the salon, you're going to be able to be like, I know how to do that. One detail that I'm actually really excited about and makes me excited when people will message me is when they'll send me a picture of the tally marks that they make with their Haircut Box, and they are saving that money for something and they're keeping track of how much money they're saving. My hope is that when people give a haircut using all my tutorials and my instructions from the Haircut Box, they'll be able to give haircuts that they're proud of. If you want more tips and tricks with haircuts, make sure you follow us on Instagram at The Haircut Box and on our website at www.thehaircutbox.com.